Hello everyone. Today we'll see the reaction of benzene, that is different types of reaction are there. So let's finish up today by looking at the general mechanism for the characteristics reaction of aromatic compounds, that is electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. The most important characteristics of this reaction follow directly from the stability of the aromatic ring. First, these reactions are typically characterized by strong electrophile, that is Lewis acidic, catalyst like H2SO4, Al3, and FeCl3, which are required to overcome the stability of the aromatic ring. Second, these are substitution reactions since addition reaction would interrupt the p orbital ring and destroy the aromatic stability. Even though the outcome of the attack of electrophiles on benzene is substitution rather than addition reaction. The first step is the same as in electrophilic addition to alkene, that is attack of the electrophile on a pi bond and the formation of a new sigma bond between a carbon atom and the electrophiles. The carbocation which is formed undergoes losses of H plus ion from the carbon which was attacked. The electrons from the C bond H bond are returned to the aromatic pi electron ring and aromatic stability is restored. Notice that the intermediate here is a carbocation, but it is not aromatic. The carbon bearing the hydrogen and the electrophile is sp3 hybridized and has no p orbital to contribute to a cyclic p orbital system. The carbocation intermediate is somewhat resonance stabilized through by a resonance arrangement which is very similar to the one we saw in the addition of electrophile to conjugated dienes. In this reaction, that is benzene ring react with electrophile in the first step formation of carbocation, and the final stage it will eliminate one proton and formation of new compounds. This intermediate is a carbocation, and as we will see next time, stability is important in determining how fast the reaction goes, and in benzene ring which bear substituent at one of the carbons where the electrophile attacked. The key thing to recognize now is that the positive charge and the corresponding carbocation characteristics only appear at the position of ortho and para relative to the point at which the electrophile attack. So this following structure are resonance structure. That means without changing the position of atom, it may be carbon atom or hydrogen atom, only changing the position of electron, then whatever intermediate structure we will get it, that all structure are known as canonical forms or resonance structure. Here when electrophile attack to the benzene ring, we will get three types of resonance structure, or three carbocation will formed. By this formation of resonance structure, it will increase the stability of benzene ring. Thank you.